Channel 4 Nightly News. All right, everybody. Let's give them one shirt to let them know that they earned it, that we care about them. All right, guys. One last shirt, and then we're doing a color throw. Okay, everybody. You've seen the videos. Grab your color bond, grab your friends, rip up in the top, and then on my count, let them fly. Are you guys ready? In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Charleston, you're beautiful! Alright, everybody, be sure to watch yourself tonight on Channel 4 News. You don't want to miss that. Who had a good time today? Who's coming back next year? Who wants more free stuff? Alright, guys, Jimmy's going to give out a few more things.